0.3. That's the rough one. Second one is 6.5. And we got that one is subtract this for me. You didn't get the calculator right the other time. Correct gun. So look of 5. 5 there. It's not 5. Please let me 11.3 minus 6.5. The answer is 4.8. So this is the rough one that we did. So let's go to the second one that is a little bit good. You know, so initial final is now 11.3 here. The initial 11.3 here. The final is what? The final is 18.6. So when you subtract it, it's 7.3 centimeter cube. This one we pick. Go to the next one. The third one, we have our initial now to be 18.6. Our final is 27.9. When you subtract, you get 9.3 centimeter cube. This is a little bit of a question mark there. The other one did that we pick. Let's pick the final one. So because of time, we pick the initial is the fifth one. The initial is 42. Initial here is a 35.8, and the final here is a I want to take something. 2.9. So subtracting it gets 7.1 centimeter cube. This one and this one, they are very close. This one, there may be some error. Maybe you drop a lot of metronage here, so the volume is a little bit high. So the answer here, now pick your average theta value now. Average theta value, you pick 7.3 plus 7.1 over 2. So let's add it together. 7.1 plus 7.3, that'll be 14.4. 14.4 over 2, that'll be 7.2 centimeter cube. That's going to be the volume of your acid. Now, the question one now say, calculate the concentration of the acid, which is your dilute hydrochloric acid. Now, having known the volume of sodium hydroxide, what's your volume of sodium hydroxide? 25 centimeter cube. What's the volume of the acid? Your acid is take your theta value, 7.2 centimeter cube, that was charted against the acid. Now, the concentration of the base is known, which is what? 0.1 mole per dm cube. So we want to calculate now the concentration of the acid, which is unknown. Before that, you have to balance your equation. Can somebody let me? Equation of what? Of reaction. Your ACl plus your sodium hydroxide. Make sure you balance the equation. You are going to have what? Sodium chloride plus the water. You can see that our equation is balanced. Are we here? Is what? Is balanced, because this is water, hydrogen 2 here, hydrogen to oxygen 1 here. So it means number of mole of acid is 1. For base also is what? Is 1. So therefore, taking your formula now, CaVa over what? Cb Vb equals to number of moles of acid over number of moles of base. Number of moles for the sodium hydroxide. So therefore, this is the Ca mean concentration of acid. Va mean what? Volume of acid. Cb mean concentration of base. Vb means volume of the base. Na means number of moles of the acid, number of moles of the base. So what are you looking for here? We're looking for what? Concentration of the acid. So having done your cross multiplication and you now choose, you make Ca what? Subject of the formula. So cross and multiply. You are going to get your let's see now, Ca Va Nb equals to Cb Vb Na. So now the Bible says about the volume of acid and the number. So this will come in now. Volume of acid, number of base. Volume of acid, number of base. So this cancels. So Ca is now equal to, what's the concentration of base there? Is 0.1. Is there? multiply by what? Volume of base is what? 25. Number of moles of acid is 1 over volume of acid 7.2, your total value. The average total value. Then number of base of the base is 1. Number of moles is 1. So we're having is 0.1 times 225. That is 2.5 there over 7.2. Use calculator. Okay, let's have calculator now. 2.5 divided by 7.2 is 0.347. Is 0.347. So let's equate to two-sided decimal place now. Is 0.35 mole per dmq. Can we see now? That is the concentration of the acid. So it's 0.35 mole per dmq. What is the concentration of your base? Is 0.1 mole per. So this is what we are looking for. The concentration of the acid is 0.35 mole per dmq. So that is what we have to calculate